Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will need to expand and simplify this algebraic expression. And so, you do realize that this is 2n minus 3n minus 5 times the bracket n minus 4n. And therefore, we will apply what we have learned in algebraic expression and arithmetic. We are going to first simplify the brackets first. And so for this particular question, I would continue to write 2n minus 3n first. I am going to expand this bracket. And for this bracket, do take note, is negative 5 multiplied by n, negative 5m, negative 5 multiplied by negative 4n, positive 5 times 4, 20n. After which, please continue to simplify the like terms. We have 2n minus 5m. That will give me negative 3m. I have negative 3n plus 20n. This will give me positive 17n. And we have completed this particular problem. Alright. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up while we move on to the next part. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we will need to expand and simplify this. Again, do take note, we are going to expand and simplify the bracket first. So you would see me looking this as a whole, and therefore I'm going to expand and simplify this bracket first. 5 times c will be 5c. 5 times 2d will be positive. 5 times 2 is 10d. And you also have 5 of the negative e. That will give me negative 5e. And not forgetting my 3c and my 4e. After which, please simplify the like terms. So I would see the 5c and 3c together, they made positive 8c. 10d is by itself. And lastly, for negative 5e and negative 4e, that will make negative 9e. And we have successfully simplified all the like terms. So we shall now stay tuned for the other parts of this problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the problem where we are required to expand and simplify the expression here. And I'm going to see that there is bracket, so we are going to expand this first. The first bracket. And for the first bracket, you will see me having, there's 3 groups of 4x minus 5, meaning 3 groups of 4x, 3 times 4x, 12x. 3 groups of negative 5, 3 times negative 5, negative 15. And there's another group of negative 4 groups of negative 2x minus 6. This means that for this group, I'm going to expand first. Negative 4 times negative 2x, positive 8x. Negative 4 times negative 6, positive 24. And we are now going to simplify the like terms, alright? 12x plus 8x, that will give me 20x. Negative 15 plus 24, or 24 minus 15, that will give me positive 9. With that, we have come to the end of this part. So stay tuned for more. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify the following. And do take note, we see bracket, so we are going to expand the bracket first. I see this bracket with a 2. Means 2 groups of 3x minus 5x plus 7z. Means I'm going to multiply them. This will give me 6x. Negative 10y. Positive 14z. And for here, we see a negative 4 groups of x minus 5z. So I'm going to again multiply them out. Negative 4 times positive x. Negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 5z. That will give me positive 20z. And let's continue to simplify the like terms. 6x minus 4x, that will give me positive 2x. Negative 10y. Any more terms with variable y? No. So that is the only term with variable y. And last, we are going to look at all the variable z, terms with variable z, and we are going to simplify this. That will give me positive 34z. And we have come to the end of this part. So continue to stay tuned for more of such problems. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify each of these in expression. And this is an interesting problem. I see a bracket without a number in front. This simply means that there's one group of 2x minus 1. And there's also one group of negative 1 group of 3x plus 2. And therefore I can now simplify them out. Alright, this simply means 1 times 2x, 2x. 1 times negative 1 will be negative 1. Negative 1 and 3x plus 2. So, negative 1 times 3x will give me negative 3x. Negative 1 times positive 2. Negative 2. And we shall continue to simplify the like terms. The like terms for variable x will be 2 minus 3, negative 1x, and negative 1 minus 2, negative 3. And we have come to the end of this part of the problem. So if you like this video thus far, do feel free to like and subscribe this channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to expand and simplify each of the following expression. So do take note, when there's no number in front, this simply means negative. There's how many group of 5x plus 2? Exactly, so this is negative 1. And same goes for the bracket 2x plus 1, it also means negative 1. And so, I shall look at this first. So this will be equals to negative 1 times 5x, negative 5x. Negative 1 times positive 2, negative 2. Negative 1 times 2, negative 2x. Negative 1 times positive 1, negative 1. And the step continue to simplify the like terms. Negative 5, negative 2, that will give me negative 7x. Negative 2 and negative 1, this will actually give me negative 3. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.